He say, knock on your door like Jehovah, bitch.
FBI, open up! We been trapping all night chasing Benjamin. 3 for 25, I can't do 2 for 10. If you owe me money, better send that in. Had them killers at your door, you better not let them in. Got a new bitch taste like brown sugar, cinnamon.
What is up, SoSauced squad? Back again with another for show on bro. Baby, today we got FOE Nick Spin Cycle. You feel me? Got 30,000 views. You feel me? Shot by Rebel Film. So make sure y'all go subscribe to them. Let's go ahead and get into this video, man. I'm already know it's gonna be a show on bro, baby. So let's go ahead and check it out. If I make you laugh, leave a like and subscribe. Leave that negativity at the door. Let's go ahead and get into it. Hey, yo, this look like this wanna go crazy, shorty. Spin cycle. Spin. On game. What? Hey, I like this flow, shorty. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, he say spin a whole west side, so they from out west. What? He say knock on your door like Jehovah, bitch.
FBI, open up!
And we leave a witness. Jehovah Witness, so you like. What? Ooh. Glock 17, that bitch get busy. I like that. Hold on, go back, cause y'all missing some shit. Hold on. What? Okay. We locked that back door, but they was snakes the whole time. You feel me? They locked, you feel me? It wasn't none of that, you feel me? But they was, you feel me, the whole time though, like. Spin cycle. What? What? No wonder why this got 30K. This shit go crazy. Oh god. Ooh. That hood go crazy though. Hey, that go crazy, so no cap. Y'all. So what if you feel like what if the bullet just hit the camera? No, I'm just playing for, but hey, I seen one of them Instagram because they was like, dude was recording the video and then the bullet hit the camera. Like, that shit crazy though. Like, this song go crazy though. Make sure y'all go follow him. You feel me? Rebel Films and Bankroll Phonic. You feel me? Make sure y'all go. You feel me? That's a raw name, Phonic. Oh God, you know how Chicago be. They were like, what up, Pho? You know his name, Nick. Phonic. You get it? Anyways, man, make sure you like, subscribe. If you're going through anything out there, bro, just know you're gonna get through it. I love you. Stay blessed. And nothing but positive vibes and blessings your way. Leave that negativity at the door. If I made you lie, if I made you laugh, leave a like and subscribe. I love you. Stay blessed. Hit that notification bell. That was another for show on bro.
Dominate and rise, keep my conscience on the prize. I generate this high, something money cannot buy. This world is full of lies.